What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is ERP Central Signage Maker, and today guys, we're here at City Harvest Church, San Bartolome for our another installation. And as you can see at my back guys, inuumpisahan na nila ang pag-install ng ating project, and later on, meron tayong makakasama for our interview. So stay tuned at samahan nyo kami sa buong video na ito. Okay guys, as I said earlier, meron tayong makakasama for our video. Let us all welcome Pastor Jeffrey! Yes! Hello, Pastor!
Hi!
So, Pastor, kamusta po kayo?
Oh, doing great. All is well. All is well.
Ayan. And Pastor, for our question, paano at saan nyo po nakita si ERP Central Signage Maker?
Actually, hindi ako eh. Yung maganda kong asawa ang naghanap nito at napakarami niyang nakita sa Facebook, pero isa lang yung nag-shine out, which is the ERP.
Wow.
At kayo yung message niya, and to cut the long story short, what can I say? It's a wow!
It's a wow.
It's a wow!
Yes, and of course, Pastor, syempre, since napapawaw na rin tayo, quality approved po ba si ERP pagdating sa signage?
Definitely, it's 100% quality approved. Kaya nga, actually may verse ako dyan eh.
Wow.
Let me read this. Let
Yes,
me read
sure,
this.
sure.
Kasi we truly appreciate your creativity, quality, and work and dedication. Thank you for helping
Yes,
our
po.
church more beautiful and more welcoming. And sabi ng Colossians chapter 3, verse 23, whatever you do, work it with all of your heart as working in the Lord. In 2 Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. Kaya, grabe, may puso, may kalidad, at napakaganda. Highly recommendable.
Yes, thank you so much, Pastor. And we're looking forward po para sa marami pang project na makakasama po namin si City Harvest San Bartolome.
Definitely. We pray that all our branches ay kayo ang kukontakin. And soon, sa aming pag-put up ng lot and building, syempre kayo na rin ang aming kukontakin.
Yes, thank you so much po. And congratulations po, of course, sa City Harvest Church, San Bartolome. So, kitang-kita naman natin na quality approved pagdating sa signage, ERP Central Signage Maker. So, once again, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Once again, this is ERP Central Signage Maker. Kami ang bosses ng brand mo. Thank you so much. Thank you po,
Thank
Pastor.
you, and God bless your team.
Thank you po.